Job of the day. We are back at the dump trailer I did the suspension on. Everything looks good on suspension, but when I was testing his brakes the day I did the suspension, his rear axle was getting power, but nothing was working on the backing plates. So I'm going to tear it down, change backing plates if I need to, or see if there's a wire disconnected. Got my tester on. I got good marker lights. Good marker lights on fender. Good marker lights on driver's side rear. Good marker lights. Left turns on, right turns on. Passenger good, passenger fender good. And passenger side front is good. Okay, let's tear her down. I think I found the issue. Seal broke on the back of this and it's all coated. So I'm gonna change out that seal on that, and I'm just gonna change the backing plate because that thing's soaked. And on this one, I can just fix the wiring, I think. Unless it's super uber duper smashed somewhere. It's pretty nasty. Okay, I'll just put a splice in there and put new wiring. But this backing plate looks brand new. Seal didn't break on this side. Backing plate's fine. It's all rewired in. I'm shrink wrapping the butt connectors and then tucking everything so it doesn't happen again. And then I'm working on the other side. I'm going to change the backing plate on the driver's side. Got a key on the passenger side rear. Everything's free spinning. Brakes locked up. Perfect. This side's done. Free spinning again. Perfect. Got passenger side front up and free spinning. Brakes work. I took the old seal out, putting the new seal in. I'm going to clean it up. This hub got covered in grease as well, so I'm going to brake clean it, get it all done. New seal is pounded on, cleaning the hub and drum now. Last check on brakes. Brakes work. And free spinning on brakes. Driver's side backing plate is on and installed. Everything's shrunk wrap. Everything's nice and tucked. Oh, I need to check the front brake as well. Front is off the ground and free spinning. I don't where to put the remote. There it is. Brakes are on, they're locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning. Rear hub and drum is clean. On the inside, I put a new seal in it. New backing plate, testing. Free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Perfect. And cotter key is on and installed. Alright, this trailer's done. I got a new backing plate, new seal on the driver's side. All I had to do was reconnect wires on the passenger side. Everything's tightened. Everything's got a cotter key on it. Dust caps are pounded. I'm torquing lug nuts right now. And lug nuts are torqued. All his lights work, all his brakes work. I'm gonna clean up, but I'm on to the next.